Hello friend, today I'll show you how to create Google My Business GMB account for local SEO or local citation. Let's start it. And please, if you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Let's start. First, I'll go to the Google and write here Google My Business. Then visit this link. Then sign here. Then write your business name. Okay, business name. Business name, then continue. Okay, then continue. Then service business. Then we will click this 3 if you have. Then next. Then your website. Okay, then I will put my website here and click next. Okay, then select your category. See, this is my business category. I will give here marketing console, internet marketing, marketing call center. Then next. Then enter your business address. Be careful about this address because because for local SEO or GMB listing, this address is very important. Okay, just put your address, accurate address. Okay, I will put here my address and then I will click continue. Next. Okay, then I will continue here. Then just send a verification email, then I will verify there. Okay, then I will add my services. Then add your business hours. Open. You can keep your time here 24 hours and okay, my business hours is 24 hours. Then next, sorry, 24 hours, 24 because online business is open 24 hours. Okay, then add business description. I will write here my business description with SEO optimize. Okay, then next. Then add your business photo here, your shop photo, your company photo, something else. Then I will click next. Advertising easily made. Step advertising. I don't need advertise right now. Then next, skip. Your edit will be visible once you are verified. Continue. Okay. See, this is the process and it's in review now, and it will show here. Okay, my picture and everything of my business. Then after reviewing Google, then it will show here. This is my profile. I hope you understand how to set up GMB at Google My Business. That's it for today, and please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.